On July 4th, the first Alachua County Jail inmate tested positive for COVID-19, and according to the Alachua County Sheriff's Office, cases are on the rise. As of Thursday afternoon, Alachua County Sheriff's Office spokesperson Art Forgey said 13 inmates, 2 employees, and 2 contract healthcare workers have tested positive for COVID-19.
The jail walls provide no protection from the pandemic, and we have not been able to identify exactly how it got in there, what the originating source was.
But Forgey says the jail is taking all precautions to try and stop the spread.
We're doing temperature checks now 4 times a day.
In addition to temperature checks, all inmates have face masks and are reminded of social distancing and hand washing daily.
When this all began in mid-March and everything kind of shut down, here we are in July. We've made it to July before we identified our first case.
While the jail continues to implement procedures to stop the spread, this week, the Alachua County Commission approved the disbursement of funds from the Federal CARES Act. According to the Communication and Legislative Affairs Director for Alachua County, Mark Sexton, $800,000 will be put towards maintaining the jail.
One example of that would be to look at the air handlers and possibly adding modifications that would improve the air circulation.
Sexton says the goal is to make the jail a safer place for inmates and employees.
We had hoped that it would spare our jail. We weren't surprised that it didn't.
Fortunately, Forgey says the inmate population is currently very low, and the director of the jail and Sheriff Darnell have been in contact with the court administration to get some inmates released if they can.
We don't have the power to release them on our own, but working with the courts and the state attorney and public defender, then, hopefully they can come to an agreement and, somebody that may not need to be there can be released.
As for inside of the jail, the health department is working to conduct contact tracing among the inmates and employees who have tested positive. Taylor Levesque, WUFT News.